Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Somitri Yadav, Assistant Teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Golam Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we will discuss about some assignments of chapter number 3rd and also the poem Seeing Things. So let's start our video. So students, in the first slide you can see the word meaning of the chapter number 3rd. So let's discuss about the word meaning of the chapter number 3rd. First is pop down. What is the meaning of pop down? Pop down means jump quickly. Nothing, think nothing of, means never be afraid of. What is the meaning of miles? Miles is a unit to measure distance. What is the meaning of dozing off? The meaning of dozing off is falling asleep. What is the meaning of passes? Meaning of passes is corridor. What is the meaning of ran like the wind? The meaning of ran like the wind is ran very fast. Oh my ears and whiskers. What is the meaning of it? The meaning of it is a way of showing surprise. Let's discuss about the question answer of the chapter number 3rd. Why did Alice not like the book that her sister was reading? So answer is Alice didn't like the book that her sister was reading because it had no any pictures and conversation. Next question is why did Alice decide to chase the rabbit? Because she had never before seen a rabbit with a waistcoat pocket and a watch. Now next is give a brief description of the things that Alice saw as she fell down the well. Alice saw cupboards, bookshelves, maps, pictures and also a jar as she fell down the well. Now next is what kind of a person was Alice? Circle any two words from the list. Students, you have given brave, bookish, imaginative, curious, confident, lazy, bored and loving words in the question and you have to circle only brave and curious. Okay, these are the two qualities of Alice. Now let's discuss question number C, think and answer. What kind of books do you think Alice liked? Why? Alice liked such books which are full of pictures and conversation because books are easy to understand and interesting. Now question number 2 is, do you think Alice was scared as she fell down the well? Find sentences in the lesson that support your answer. No, I think Alice was not scared as she fell down the well. Now we have to write the sentence to support our answer. So this line is taken from the story. This support our answer. So what is the line of the story? After a fall like this, I shall think nothing of tumbling down stairs. So these are the questions which we have taken from the chapter number 3rd. I hope you have done and written these questions in your fair copy and as well as your CW copy. Now let's move to the some assignments of the poem which is Seeing Things. So firstly in this slide you can see the word meaning of the poem Seeing Things. So first word is aunt. So what is the meaning of aunt? Aunt meaning is am not. Okay, am not. When we combine both the words, it can be written AINT. Okay, apostrophe. A-I-N'-T. Ant means am not. Now the next meaning is toad. What is the meaning of toad? The meaning of toad is toads are frog-like animals. Students, you can see toads when there rain everywhere. Okay, you can see toad, and these toads are like frogs. Next is awful nice. What is the meaning of awful nice? The meaning of awful nice is very nice. Now the next is, what is the meaning of snug? The meaning of snug is comfortable. Okay. Standing. What is the meaning of standing? The meaning of standing is standing. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now let's revise the word meaning of the poem. First is aunt. Aunt means am not. Am not. Not. Toads. Toads are frog-like animals. Okay. Frog. Frog. Awful nice. AWFUL. Awful NICE. Nice. What is the meaning of it? The meaning of awful nice is very nice. Now the next is snug. What is the meaning of snug? SNUG. Snug. Snug means comfortable. 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 Last meaning, standing. The meaning of standing is standing. 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 So these are the word meaning which we have discussed in the poem Seeing Things. Now let's discuss about some question answer of this poem. So let's start the first question. First question is, what is a child not scared of? Students, when we are reading I have told you about some things or creature from which the child was not scaring, जिससे चाइल्ड को डर नहीं लग रहा था. मैंने ऐसे एनिमल्स और क्रिएचर के बारे में आपको बताया था when we were reading the poem. So what are these creatures? The child is not scared of snakes, toads, bugs, worms or mice. Okay. Now the next is, what is a child scared? चाइल्ड को किससे स्केयर लगता था, किस अभी हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट में ये डिस्क्राइब किया था, ये एक्सप्लेन किया कि उन क्रिएचर के बारे में एक्सप्लेन किया जिससे चाइल्ड को डर लगता था. एंड नाउ इन द क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट सच थिंग्स फ्रॉम विच द चाइल्ड इज स्केयर्ड ऑफ. सो द आंसर इज व्हेन लाइट्स आर टर्न्ड ऑफ. जब लाइट्स को टर्न ऑफ किया जाता था एट नाइट, रात के समय, चाइल्ड इज अफ्रेड. चाइल्ड को डर लगता था ऑफ एवरीथिंग, उन सारी चीज़ों से, विच आर इन द कॉर्नर्स. स्टूडेंट्स, आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट इन द पोएम, मैंने पोएम में आपको पढ़ाया था, दोज थिंग्स विच आर इन द कॉर्नर्स, अंडर द बेड एंड मेकिंग साउंड्स. जो साउंड कर रहे थे और जो बेड के नीचे थे और जो कॉर्नर्स में थे, ऐसी चीज़ों को देख के चाइल्ड को बहुत ही स्केयर लग रहा था. Now, question number third. Describe in your own words what the things do at night. Students, you have to describe in your words. अब में बेटा डिस्क्राइब करना है कि रात के समय उस चाइल्ड ने कौन कौन सी चीज़ें अपने कमरे में देखी थी. What the thing do at night. वो सारी चीज़ें जो हैं रात को क्या कर रही थी. नाउ यू हैव टू डिस्क्राइब इट इन द पोएम इन योर क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड. सो आंसर इज, एट नाइट थिंग्स आर समटाइम्स स्टैंडिंग इन द कॉर्नर, समटाइम्स दे आर ऑन द डोर, समटाइम्स सिटिंग, वॉकिंग, स्टैंडिंग एंड मेकिंग साउंड्स. ओके, रात के समय थिंग्स आर सम टाइम स्टैंडिंग इन द कॉर्नर, कभी कभी वो कॉर्नर में रहते थे। वो सारी थिंग्स यानी चीज़ें और क्रिएचर जो थे वो कभी कभी कोने में, कॉर्नर में, कभी कभी डोर पर, कभी कभी वो सिटिंग एक ही जगह बैठे रहते थे, कभी कभी वो वॉक करते थे, कभी वो खड़े हो जाते थे एंड मेकिंग साउंड और साउंड करते थे। ओके, दिस ऑल हैपेंड। Fourth question is, do you think the child is really brave? So students, according to you, can you think that the child is really brave? So students, in the question number second, we have discussed that the child was scaring from some things. Okay. So according to the question number second, we can say that no, the child is not brave. Why he is not brave? Because the child was scaring. Okay, when at night all the creatures were and making sound, he was full of fear and full of scare. Okay, वो डर से भर जाता था. So that's why we can say that no, the child is not a brave child. Okay, now let's revise the question answer again. First question is, what is the child not scared of? So answer is, the child is not scared of snakes, toads, bugs, worms or mice. Question number second is, what is the child scared of? When the lights are turned off at night, child is afraid of everything which are in the corner, under the bed and making sounds. Question number third is, describe in your own words what the things do at night. At night, things are standing in the corner. Sometimes they are on the door. Sometimes sitting, walking, standing, and making sounds. Fourth question and last question is, do you think the child is really brave? No, the child is not really brave. So that's it for today, students. In the previous video lecture and with this video lecture, we have discussed all the chapter number third एंड ऑल्सो द पोएम सीइंग थिंग्स. बेटा हमने पूरी वीडियो में सारे के सारे एक्सरसाइजेस को कंप्लीट कर लिया है. एंड ऑल्सो वी हैव डिस्कस द क्वेश्चन आंसर एंड द वर्ड मीनिंग. एंड दिस वीडियो लेक्चर इज टोटली based on the question answer and the word meaning, okay, of the chapter number 3rd and also the poem seeing things. एंड द प्रीवियस वीडियो लेक्चर में बेटा हमने सारा एक्सरसाइज जो है इसका कंप्लीट कर लिया है. और नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द चैप्टर नंबर 4. ओके, एट योर होम यू विल रीड द चैप्टर. ओके, आप लोग घर पे बेटा चैप्टर नंबर 4 रीड करेंगे एंड एज वेल एज यू विल राइट ऑल द क्वेश्चन आंसर एंड वर्ड मीनिंग in your CW copy as well as in your fair copy. Goodbye students.